Hi kids, how are you today? In this video, we will learn about letter B. So, let's start together. Letter B. B for baby. Spell B-A-B-Y. Letter B. B for baby. Spell B-A-B-Y. Letter B. B for bag. Spell B-A-G. Letter B. B for ball. Spell B-A-L-L. Letter B. B for balloons. Spell B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Letter B. B for banana. Spell B-A-N-A-N-A. Letter B. B for bear. Spell B-E-A-R. Letter B. B for bed. Spell B-E-D. Letter B. B for bee. Spell B-E-E. Letter B. B for bell. Spell B-E-L-L. Letter B. B for belt. Spell B-E-L-T. Letter B. B for bin. Spell B-I-N. Letter B. B for bird. Spell B-I-R-D. Letter B. B for boat. Spell B-O-A-T. Letter B. B for book. Spell B-O-O-K. Letter B. B for boy. Spell B-O-Y. Letter B. B for bus. Spell B-U-S. Letter B. B for butterfly. Spell B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly.
Thanks you for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe for more.